The Fed is expected to keep rates low until recovery. A revision in brick and mortar guidance and homebuilder confidence drops. Hello, and welcome to the 90-second real estate rundown. I'm Jordan Norris. This is our 50th and final episode this year, so we're celebrating the holidays a little early. Hence the ugly Christmas sweater. If you made it with us through this year, thank you. When we decided at the end of 2019 to start producing this show weekly, we had no idea that 2020 would put us through a spin and force us to surpass the 90 seconds in the majority of our episodes. But at the end of the day, we're so glad that we were able to be a staple in your week and read to the top headlines of each week in 90-ish seconds, which we should start right now. The Federal Reserve said after leaving its overnight lending unchanged on Wednesday that it expects to keep interest rates low until maximum employment and inflation hit the Federal Open Market Committee's standard of moderately exceeding 2% for some time. The Fed is to thank for record low mortgage rates and interest rates by boosting the competition for bonds, which compresses yields. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has said that more stimulus is needed from Congress to help aid in today's struggling economy. After passing a law this summer, the state of Louisiana's new brick and mortar policy for title and settlement companies will go into effect on January 1st. The Louisiana Dept of Insurance reissued an advisory last week clarifying stipulations for title insurance companies. The advisory states that individuals licensed by the state are not required to provide additional information, but business entities must submit an affidavit stating that the responsible producers never had their license suspended or revoked in any other state. In order to maintain a license at the first of the year, a non-resident licensee must work full-time for a Louisiana-based title company and submit an affidavit and must designate an individual licensed title producer who is a resident of Louisiana. After months of record highs, homebuilder confidence pulled back in December for single-family housing. Because of a spike in home prices for existing and new homes, builders are worried that buyers are starting to experience sticker shock as new home prices face additional pressure because of rising costs for builders. According to the latest market indexes, sentiment dropped 4 points to 86 in December, the second highest reading in history. Buyer traffic has also decreased 4 points to 73. It's worth noting that anything above 50 in this index is considered positive, but these numbers are expected to drop throughout 2021. Move Inc., which operates Realtor.com, has acquired a rental platform for independent landlords called Avail. The software helps landlords manage and market rental properties, screen potential renters, and process payments. It also allows renters to submit applications, sign leases, and submit maintenance requests. This acquisition signals a shift into the rental market for Realtor.com. As a growing part of the market, people spend more than $500 billion a year in rent, and 3/4 of all rentals are owned by independent DIY landlords. Thanks so much for watching. If you watched through every episode this year and still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you have feedback on the show and how we did this year, leave a comment down below. Have a happy and safe holiday, and we'll see you next year.